Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you offer services and want clients to book appointments online, Squarespace has built-in scheduling tools. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to enable appointment scheduling in Squarespace in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go and log in using your email address and password to Squarespace. Now all the way to our website dashboard here. We're gonna go to scheduling here. As you see, there is already this button, only tap it and they're gonna take you all the way to online appointment scheduling. So basically it's time now to create appointment types, set your availability and customize your design. As I told you, create a scheduling account, follow the step or the setup process if prompted, add a new appointment type, choose one-on-one or maybe group sessions, set availability here, select working hours and days, it depends on you, set the pricing and duration, then connect payments such as Stripe, PayPal for paid bookings. Then add a booking page. Insert a scheduling block on your page. By going back to your website, select Edit Pages. Tap on this new page for example. We're gonna go slide it all the way down. Give it a name. Then enable automatic confirmation emails and that's it. So thank you all for watching. And I will see you all in the next video.